If you want to rotate an object exactly 90 degrees in Inkscape, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest ways to rotate a selected object by 90 degrees, whether you want to use the toolbar buttons, a keyboard shortcut, or a snap rotation method. This is super useful when you're arranging icons, shapes, text, or any design element and you need precise alignment. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Inkscape tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, select the object you want to rotate using the selection tool, which you can activate with the S key. Once your object is selected, you'll see the selection handles around it, and that means it's ready to be transformed. The easiest method is to use the quick action buttons at the top of the screen in the tool controls bar. Look for the rotate selection 90 degrees counterclockwise icon or the rotate selection 90 degrees clockwise icon. Click the one you need and Inkscape will instantly rotate the object by exactly 90 degrees. This is probably the fastest option if you're working with multiple objects and want a simple one-click solution. If you prefer using the keyboard, Inkscape also gives you a very convenient shortcut. Press the left bracket key, which is left bracket, to rotate the selected object 90 degrees counterclockwise. Press the right bracket key, which is right bracket, to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. This shortcut is especially helpful when you're speeding through a layout and don't want to move your mouse back to the toolbar every time. There's also another method if you want a bit more manual control. Hold down the Control key while dragging a rotation handle. As you rotate, Inkscape will snap the movement in increments, and if you move it 6 increments, you'll land exactly on 90 degrees. This is a handy trick when you're already resizing or transforming an object and want to keep your workflow smooth. So to recap, you can rotate 90 degrees in Inkscape by selecting the object and using the toolbar buttons, by pressing the keys, or by dragging with Ctrl for snapped rotation. For most people, the keyboard shortcut is the quickest, but all three methods work great depending on your workflow. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Inkscape tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.